Hi, students. This is Mr. Picasso again. We're going to be doing the lab. As I said in the scientific method, the lab for today, or investigation, or experiment, is going to be about thermal energy and mechanical energy. Okay? As you can see, everything is clear and clean. I did put these trash bags here so we can prevent any mass going to the table or falling down into the floor. Okay? The first thing we're going to do, we're going to put the aluminum flask with a solution of water and sodium iodide. I use 100 milliliters of water and I use 3 teaspoons of sodium iodide. And then I stirred it and I dissolved the sodium iodide into the water. Okay, I'll put it here on the side. The next procedure is that we're going to get the larger aluminum flask. It's a 500 milliliter aluminum flask, and we're going to put it in the center. Then we're going to get the funnel so we don't pour anything outside of the aluminum flask. And then we're going to get the 30% hydrogen peroxide. Now, a lot of you have seen hydrogen peroxide at the stores, Walmart, H-E-B, or any convenience stores. That hydrogen peroxide is only 3%. That one, if you get a cut, you can pour it on your cut, and it's going to probably kill the bacteria. And you're probably going to see a little bit of bubbling going on, okay? This one is 30%. This one, you don't want for it to fall on your skin because it will burn, okay? It's really, really hazardous, okay? So what we're going to do at eye level, we're going to turn the aluminum flask and put the numbers towards your eyes, and we're going to use about 400 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. We're going to pour it. You're going to wait for it to drain to the bottom, 400, okay? Then we're going to make sure we put the top, and we're going to put it to the side over here, okay? Away, and again, everything's labeled, and we close it off with the top because we don't want to spill it. We're going to tap the funnel into the aluminum flask to make sure nothing spills over, okay? Everything falls inside the aluminum flask. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to use red food coloring, okay? And it doesn't matter how much you pour into it. You can pour the whole little bottle or spray a little bit of it, okay? And I'm going to squeeze all of it into the aluminum flask, okay? And this is just to give it the color. Okay? And again, we'll put it to the top and we'll put it to the side. The next procedure is that we're going to get dish soap. You can use any kind of dish soap, okay? And we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of dish soap, okay? And you open the top, and that's enough. The next procedure and the final procedure is that we're going to add the catalyst, which is the sodium iodide with the 100 milliliters of water. Remember, we dissolved the sodium iodide into the 100 milliliters of water. We're going to pour it in here, and then we're going to see the reaction. Okay. As you can see, I don't know if you can see from there, but you see the fumes. That is thermal energy. It's called an exothermic reaction. Remember that the word thermal means heat, and then the movement of it created mechanical energy, okay? Now, these bubbles, you cannot touch them. You touch them, you're going to get burned because of the hydrogen peroxide. Remember, this is 30% hydrogen peroxide. You need to be really, really careful, okay? This is really hazardous. Now, there's another version of the elephant toothpaste. This is called the elephant toothpaste. There's another version of the elephant toothpaste where you can actually use 3% hydrogen peroxide, which is the one that they sell at any local convenience store, Walmart or H-E-B in the pharmacy department. You can use that one, you can touch it, and nothing will happen as long as you don't put anything inside your mouth, okay? This one, you cannot do that. This one is only going to be done as a demonstration. If you were in my class, we would probably do the 3% hydrogen peroxide elephant toothpaste, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed this little experiment, guys. See you next Friday for the lab. Okay.